Welcome to Giveaway Breaks. This is break number 200B. It is one box of the treasure chest box. All the people that got in, your names are on the left side of the screen. Good luck. I'm going to roll the dice, and we're going to do a random to determine the box, your names, and the teams. I'm going to piece it all together. And then you guys will have time to trade. If you're in the room and you want to trade, you're welcome to trade. Good luck. Here we go. It's got to be a 3 or higher. 4 times on all the lists. Let me get them all set up. All right. The boxes. The names. The other thing is, I will say this, on the bottom of the page, if you scroll down past the screen, there is a Facebook link. If you want to join the Facebook group, join it, because if you hit a jersey and it's a team you don't want and you want me to hold it so you can try and trade with the next person, they get one that you want, that's one of my suggestions. All right, here we go. Good luck. We're going 4 times. All right. 1 through 50. There's 50 boxes. 4 times to determine the box number. Good luck. 1, 2. That's 2. 3. And 4th and final time. 4 times. The box we are doing is number 3. Box 3. Give me 1 second. I know I won't forget that, but I'm just writing it down. And again, that was on 4 times. It's a big list. All right, here we go. I have K Watts for 1, 2. Walt for 1. Ash for 1, 2. Fire Stick for 1. Covera for 1. New Yorker for 1. Dave for 1. Beaver for 1. Dog for 1, 2. Again, you're all getting duplicate teams for however many spots I'm saying you have. Not duplicates, sorry. 2 random spots. Dan for 1. K Watts, you have 2 more. Bulls and Go Eagles for 1. Good luck. 4 times on your names. 32 names. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Stick on the bottom, K Watts on the top. And I'm going to go through the list on the camera so you can see 4 times. I will take that, put it in the spreadsheet. 1 second. It's not what I wanted, but I can make it work. Actually, it's off by one. I'm going to have to fix that. All I'm doing is inserting a spot because I had to move the list down. It's not what I wanted. Hang on. Shift cells down one. Sorry. All right, now I got to randomize the teams. It's saved. Making sure you guys are here. All right, good. So far, there's your list. And now the teams. Good luck. 4 times. 1, 2. That's 2. 3, 4. That's on 4. Cowboys are at the top. Pats are at the bottom. When I take it and match it up to the spreadsheet, let's see if I put it in the right spot. I did. Right now, it shows K-Watt's got the Cowboys, Dave the Lions, Dog the Chargers, K-Watt's the Packers, Beaver the Cardinals, Dan the Eagles, Go Eagles the Jets, Ash the Seahawks, K-Watt's the Texans, K-Watt's the Giants, Walt the Jags, New Yorker the Colts, Firestick the Falcons, Walt the Vikings, Colbert the Redskins, K-Watt's Titans, Ash Steelers Broncos, K-Watt's 49ers, Go Eagles Rams, Dog the Raiders, K-Watt's the Panthers, Dog the Bills, Dog the Broncos, K-Watt's the Bears. Wow, that was luck. Beaver the Dolphins, Colbert the Chiefs, New Yorker the Browns, Dave the Bengals, Dan the Saints, Ash the Ravens, Firestick the Patriots. And the Go Eagles on the bottom means absolutely nothing. Sorry, Go Eagles. I will bring that over to the main screen. I just saved it, and you guys can throw it away. Give me 1 second, and I will grab the box. It is on the bottom of the stack. So give me 1 second. Are you serious? Hang on. That was hilarious. That was Siri. She picked up on my voice. Hang on. Here it comes. Yep. Single jersey. All the rules are in the store. And of course, this box is buried on the freaking bottom. That's all right. But here, you can see, I'm moving them. I have them in an order. I did. Order being by number. And the way I stacked them, I went 1 to 25 and then went down 25 to 50. Or 26 to 50. And we are doing 3. Which there's box 3. That's box 3. Okay, anybody want to trade? Let me see if I can make this bold. Wow. Fire stick is on the bottom. Let me save this. Hang on. I'm just changing this to bucks so it shortens up my spreadsheet. Nobody's trading yet? You guys are all just going with what you got? Anybody else have a black screen? I'm not dropping nothing. Refresh, I'll wait. We waited this long. I'll wait a couple minutes. This way I'll give everybody a chance if anybody wants to trade. Unless you guys just want me to rip. That was box 3. There was a number. Remember, if... Let me read the damn rules while we're waiting. The rules are pretty simple. It goes to the team on the jersey. Even if they were traded to a new team, with a few exceptions. Example, if it's Joe Montana, it's a red and white jersey, it goes to the 49ers. But if it has gold, it goes to the Chiefs. If it's a special jersey, meaning a multi-signature jersey, like the Purple People Eaters, Doomsday, Quarterbacks of the Century, or the Water Boy, it'll be random to everyone in the break. If it happens to be the Wildcats jersey with the card inside, that's the frame jersey, and it would go to the team on that card. And you'd be shipped the full frame. And let me tell you, it's as big as this frickin' banner. It's huge. I don't know if you can see it on the screen because I'm looking at something else. I mean, it's just huge. That doesn't do justice. And yep, that's the frame jersey, so we'll go to the team on the card. Any questions before we rip, let me know. Once it's ripped, I have the final ruling, if needed. All right. If you want me to rip, give me a rip. Everybody that's in the break, give me a rip. And I'm going to use Chorizo's knife. All right, good luck. Nobody's trading. I'm kind of surprised. Good luck. Good luck. Seriously, I'm kind of excited. Here we go. Honestly, like I told you guys, I have no clue what's in the boxes. All right, here we go. I'm going to cut it. All right, seal's broke. Good luck. All right, here we go. Oh, I know what this is. I have no clue who's got them. I'm looking. I'm looking. I'm looking. Boom. How about that? That is a number 1. There's the SIG. I'll bring it out. But obviously somebody's calling the name. already in the chat. Nope, it's Warren Moon. There's the JSA. Hold on. There's the JSA. And there's the name. Warren Moon for the Titans. That goes to K Watts. Congrats, K Watts. Warren Moon jersey. Is he here? Can he not type? Does he even know? I have to make sure I take box 3 out of the list. There he is. Congrats, K Watts. Did you see it? Were you around for it? I don't know if you left or what. That all happened so quick. Where the hell? Wait, I'm moving the spreadsheet. Sorry. I don't want to do that. Your name is Jeff also? Also Watts 100 around here? There's a lot of Watts. I don't know. Is K Watts or Watts? Oh, wait a minute. Hang on. I gotta fix this. Hang on. It was Go Eagles who had the last spot. Gotcha. All right. Well, that concludes break 200B. The first hit was a Titans jersey. You guys are keeping track at home. Doesn't mean there isn't another Titans. Remember, there's only 50 boxes.